There's a lot of different options out there when you're in the world of residential lending. There's a lot of great companies, but the fact that the culture at On2 Mortgage is just so vibrant and communicative was one of the huge things that has me sitting here right now. My name is Andrea Donnelly and I work with On2 Mortgage. It's no secret that this market is incredibly stressful. There are huge challenges today that we haven't really seen in 20, 30 years. It's very important to have a suite of products that can speak to a lot of different scenarios out there. And On2 Mortgage has that. The fact that On2 is such a small, tight, cohesive team, very scrappy, very nimble, processing, underwriting, setup team, I think that goes a long way towards the experience of the borrower, that they're not talking to 25 people scattered all across the country. That is what drives our business. And the teams that we have in place and the structure that we have in place and the inordinate amount of time that is spent on what we call the perfect loan process shows greatly in our reviews, in our team cohesiveness, in the loyalty that we have with all of our LOs, with our LOAs, with our processors, with our underwriters. It is a great, tight team. It's a family, and it's what helps us become so successful.